Koktisalo 77 Republic Day Rwgwi State Level Travel Folk Dance Competition Chengjakha Rajakhor Aguli Rabindra Satabarshiki Bhavano Manjakha Tribal Welfare Department Secretary Dr.K Sashi Kumar Khobwi te Kubun Adongrok Ashley State Level Travel Folk Dance Competition of Tribal Welfare Department Secretary Dr.K Sashi Kumar Shaka Tripura Hasini Hukumu Mukumu Belaino Kusogo Kasazaknabok Ashley Competition Hasini Dalbidal Tiny Simi Reserve Khorang te Khorang Rwgwi Manjakha.
The annual dance competition among the tribal students. Initially we had screening at the level of subdivisions and later on at the level of districts. Uske baad all the successful teams are going to compete here at the state level today. This is a state level annual dance competition conducted amongst the tribal students. So whoever is going to win in the competition today will be awarded by our Honorable CM in tomorrow's program. So here the teams from various parts of the state have already arrived. They arrived last evening only, and we have accommodated them here in Agartala, and today for the next 7-8 hours this competition will go on. So it's going to be a very colorful and fantastic evening, and all the young talent in dance is going to be showcased here on this stage. So I welcome everyone here to Rabindra Bhavan to witness this gala event. Thank you.
Rajakhor Aguli Nishimi Pranam Nikoktum Chini Khorang.